Good day everyone, we are the Allens. I am Nico Allen.
And I am Stephen Allen. And in this video, we are going to create the Non-Newtonian fluid. In order to do the Non-Newtonian fluid, we will be needing these following ingredients.
First is we have water. Next is we have cornstarch. And we have a bowl.
There are two different types of fluids, Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluid. Newtonian fluid is the most familiar one. Number one example to that is water. Newtonian fluids, these are the fluids whose viscosity remains constant as a force applied changes. Now, what is viscosity? Viscosity is a measure of how easily a fluid moves. So when we say that the fluid has a low viscosity, that means that the fluid moves faster. And when the fluid has a high viscosity, that means the fluid moves slower. So in non-Newtonian fluid, the viscosity can change as the force applied to it. This mixture of non-Newtonian fluid known as a dilation fluid, whose viscosity increases if force is being applied. This mixture is a suspension of cornstarch in water. A suspension is a mixture of a solid and a liquid. Cornstarch serves as a solid, and water is the liquid. Cornstarch has a large blocky molecules, and water, on the other hand, has a smaller circles of molecules than the cornstarch. That is why if we combine those, we will get a suspension. Each molecule of the cornstarch is surrounded by the molecule of the water.
Kick.
If we apply a little bit of force or just pressing on the cornstarch mixture with the hand, the molecules of the cornstarch are able to slide past each other, since the water in between them acts like a little ball that they can roll over. But when we applied stronger force, the molecules of the water are pushed out from in between the cornstarch molecules. That creates an area that is almost entirely the molecules of the cornstarch. Now, the ratio of the cornstarch molecules to the water molecules needs to be within a certain range. If there are too many water molecules, then the suspension will act as a liquid. And if there are too many cornstarch molecules, the suspension will act as a solid. Simply because there is not enough water molecules in between the molecules of the cornstarch for them to slide past each other.